The child tax credit's very important to a lot of families in the U.S. What's the status of the child tax credit?
Good news for families with children because under the child tax credit, under the act, it has been permanently increased from previously $2,000 to $2,200 per qualifying child for tax years after 2024, and it will be next for inflation in the future years. Refundable portions, which is different from the typical child tax credit, would be increased from $1,700 from $1,400. So good news to families all around with children.
The child tax credit, that's deduction against income. But if your tax is zero, there's a refundable part of it. And so the additional child tax credit, which is that $1,400 amount that Renee was referring to, which is now $1,700, you can actually get a refund if you have enough of left over. And so for our clients, a lot of them who live outside the U.S., they're U.S. citizens, but a lot of times they're in higher taxing jurisdictions. And so once they get credited for the taxes paid in that jurisdiction, they don't actually owe any U.S. tax. And even though they paid no U.S. tax, this additional child tax credit gives them $1,700 per child, subject to the limitations. So that's very important.